job, Josh.
Get guard if you don't have it. Get guard if you don't have it. Try and get your left knee.
Stay off to the side there, Josh. Stay off on that side.
Try and get your left.
Push that elbow off, Josh.
Left knee in.
There you go.
Big bridge over your right shoulder. Big bridge over your right shoulder if you don't have it. Big moat. Feet on the floor. Feet on the floor when you bridge.
Nice, Josh.
Guard.
Attaboy, Josh.
Get his hand off your head. Get his hand off your head.
Josh, head here with the cross.
Hand off your head.
Control that hip.
Shouldn't hold
You
it.
keep it, Josh. Keep it, brother. Keep it. Keep it.
Guard, Danny. Let's go.
Keep it.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Nice.
Keep it. You don't have the points yet.
Hold on.
Woo!
You got it, buddy. You got it. Yes, you got that nice and soft. Put the hand on the back of his head. On the back of his head. On the back of his head.
Tap. Woo! Yeah, Josh Bristol.
Good job, guys.
Woo!